Hey everybody, it's Anne. So today we have a treat for you. We have a video made from one of our viewers, Bonnie in Ontario. And I hope that you enjoy this video. Her house is cozy and beautiful. She loves plants, and I think you'll get a lot out of it. So stay tuned, and you guys have a great day.
Hi, welcome to my home. My name is Bonnie and I'm from Ontario, Canada. And yep, we're in isolation just like you. So here I'm going to give you a tour of our house. Here is our family room, and as you see, I have lots of plants, which is springing inside the house. And my water fountain, we love the sound of water, so we have a pump going there. Here I have an old cabinet that belonged to my dad, and we refinished it. And in there we've got little houses that light up at night. You'll notice that around the house I have a lot of spools that were mostly regifted to me from a friend that was from an old mill. We love lights. You're going to see that there's lots of little tiny lights all over. My husband loves the Tiffany lamps and lights, so you'll see lots of them. There's a chicken for spring. We always have lights going, the twinkle lights we love. There's another Tiffany lamp, and there's a little bunny for Easter. Okay, and heading into our kitchen dining room, we love mirrors, and this is a beautiful stitched gift as a wedding gift years ago. Here we go. Here I have brought in a old garden wire or flower stand, and you'll notice too I love Crocs. I have lots of Crocs and I use them, filling them with the rolling pins, and I've saved bowls that belong to my mom. Now here's one of my prizes, is a Hooser that we got from an auction years ago. It holds my Crocs and scales on top, and yes, I use it. I love to bake bread, cakes, donuts, you name it, and so this ceramic top is great for rolling out dough. And my Crocs, I use all the Crocs. That one holds flour. And there is an old cookbook of my mom's, which I saved and I redid it, and the story of my mom's life is in there, so it's kind of special. That holds my aprons. I've done a lot of folk art over the years. And here is the china cabinet that belonged to my husband's grandmother, and in it I have her old dishes, Crocs, all saved over the years. My husband built these shelves for me to hold my Crocs. Over here, in my cabinet here, I have a chicken that is so old. It was my grandmother's, and she gave it to me when I was about 5 years old. I have old egg cups waiting for Easter. I even have a Popeye egg cup. This kitchen is well used with my grandkids. I bake with them all the time, especially at Christmas. I miss gathering together with them. Now going into the living room, here is a piano that was my grandmother's. I'm the only one that played the piano in our family, so when my mom passed away, this was given to me. And a rabbit for Easter, which I made years ago. I have to show you this Christmas cactus that belonged to my grandma and my mom. This thing has to be about 50 years old, and it keeps blooming. My lamp bottoms, I set them in baskets with flowers and old books. And crocheted table runners that belong to my mom. This old sewing machine my sister found in a dump, and she knew that I had always wanted one, so she passed that on to me. With my spools, a little doll that was made by my mom when she was a little girl. And my coffee table, this cloche that I put together. It has my baby shoes in there. And a wooden shoe that they used to make baby shoes from. My favorite verse. I'll cling to that right now while we're isolated. My husband loves lighthouses, so they twinkle all the time. As I go upstairs, this little corner by our front door, love that sign. Some hanging plants, old antique mirrors. heading upstairs. Here's a cabinet that I painted a while ago with the little Tiffany lamps. A giant spool again. Into the bathroom. I like to collect tinware. There's an old Thunder pot. And into our bedroom. I love quilts. My shelf and my picture. There, a canoe. We love to camp. And B for Bonnie. My husband and I have been married for 45 years. And we did decide on forever. And one last thing, I have a craft room. My grandkids call it the magic room. I love art, but I needed to show you the Salvation Army bonnet that belonged to my grandma. I use baskets to hold lace. Anyway, that is my home. So God bless you. Be safe. And we will thank you for visiting with me.
Hey everybody, it's Anne. Happy Good Friday. Good Friday was always one of my favorite days. I love getting dressed in black and being morose. It's kind of strange, but that's kind of how it is for me. And so you can see I'm dressed in black, but I am usually every day anyway. So today we have a treat for you. We have a video made from one of our viewers, Bonnie in Ontario. And I hope that you enjoy this video. Her house is cozy and beautiful. She loves plants, and I think you'll get a lot out of it. So stay tuned, and you guys have a great day. Bye.